Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name is Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below, and whilst you're hitting the red subscribe button, do please make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, with all that being said, let's crack on with today's video. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you a couple of pieces that I've picked up for the last pieces of summer really. So these aren't anything that's going to change my wardrobe drastically or anything like that, but I think I just thought it'd be a nice transition from obviously summer to autumn. So in no particular order, I am going to run through these relatively quickly. There's not a mass amount. I picked these up probably over the past about 2 months, I'd say. Some are a bit newer in than others, but I've just been waiting to do this video. I'm like, you know what, if you just get it done, girl, just get it done. So that's what I'm doing today. So I will show close-ups of each individual item as well. I will also put the price of each item on the screen. Just because I've had them for quite a while, I can't quite remember the prices of some of these. And I will leave links to these items if they're still available from the websites that I got them from. If not, I will see if I can find them on other websites, and I will also leave those details down below if you are interested in anything that I show you today. So the first item I'm going to run with is this. So let me get it. Let me situate myself. So it's this. So it is a little piece I picked up from Net-a-Porter. And it's from the brand, as you can see, Jacquemus. I have nothing from Jacquemus. This is my first item from them, or him, from there. I think it's a him. I think I follow him on Instagram. I think he got married recently. But anyway, I digress. So I picked up this baby here. So as you can see, oh, look at that. It is a beautiful, beautiful necklace. I don't know what the name of it is actually. If I can find the name, I will pop it on screen as well, so you can search it if I'm not able to find it anywhere other than the Net-a-Porter website. But I saw this on Monroe Steele. I think she got it gifted. I don't got it like that, so I ain't got it gifted. But I saw it and I thought, you know what, that would be really nice in my jewellery collection. Just something that just like a bit of a statement, not too crazy statement, because I do like a kind of simple kind of jewellery, but every now and again I think it's nice to have a little bit of a statement piece, which I thought this would work really well. It's really lightweight, so obviously it's like the gold effect. It's not obviously gold. Yeah, I definitely don't got it like that. So yeah, so it's like a gold effect. And I just love the design. I like the little bag. I like the looks of the little bag. Now, it's not something that I actually feel like I would want or get much use out of in my wardrobe. I tend to kind of like a crossbody bag, and I suppose if I am going to have anything that's handheld, I like more of a classic shape opposed to the Jacquemus one. I just think it's lovely, but it's just not for me. You know, everything's not for everyone. So I thought alternatively I could maybe get into I suppose an introduction into the brand, which would be with some of their jewellery pieces. Now, there was a pair of earrings that I saw on there. They were when I say huge, I swear, I actually thought at first I thought it was a bangle. And then I looked and I noticed it's their earrings. I'm like, geez Louise. Now, I like a big hoop. I like a hoop. However, those were just ridiculous. If I can find a picture of them, I'll pop them on screen, but they were absolutely massive. But no, so I picked this up from Net-a-Porter, and as I say, I kind of envisioned wearing this with like a simple white tee, or if I was going out of an evening with a nice dress, you know, like low neckline. So that is that one. Yeah, I'm loving that. And then sticking with Net-a-Porter, I picked up these from them, and this is from a company called Le Specs. Now, never heard of them. I just liked them because I felt like they were a very good take on the, what's it called, Celine. Now again, I don't have Celine money, but I liked these. I loved the two-tone, so if you can see there, it has like it's quite dark at the top, and then it's got like a tortoise shell on there, and it also has that on, if you can see, on the arms as well, which I thought was really nice. I wasn't too sure if they'd be too big for my face. I don't have, I have quite a small face. But when I tried them on, I'm like, yeah. Now, let me know what you think. You think the glasses are, you think the suit? I mean, I think the suit. I was just looking for your opinion. So you can let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Yeah. So again, these are from a company called Le Specs. Just so you know. So they were lovely. So again, I appreciate, like I said, the video, it's kind of the last bits of summer. However, going into autumn, you still sometimes have really sunny days. So I thought it'd be, you know, it's still relevant to kind of be picking up sunglasses if you can, just because obviously a lot of this stuff is coming towards the end of season now. So you might be able to pick up some of these stuff at a discount. Now, I do know this was in the sale when I picked it up. Again, not sure of the price, but I will leave them on screen so you can have a gander at that. So that's the Le Specs. And then next we have something slightly different. So I picked up a little number from Zara. Now, what I will say at the minute, I am loving what Zara's got online at the moment. I've not been in store. I don't know what the quality of some of the stuff is like. I think I've done previous videos in the past, and sometimes, as much as when you go onto the website, they look fantastic, and you know, they're all editorial pictures and stuff like that. They look really good. Sometimes the quality doesn't really match. You know what I mean? Ain't matching. So I am kind of like, I do probably need to go in store to kind of have a look at some of these items. But I mean, I think I went on the other day, and I think I was popping, you know, I like to pop things in my basket, just, you know, just things kind of think I popped like 3 things in, and it was nearly £200. I'm like, what? Zara? What? Jeez. But there's a lot to choose from at the moment, I believe, anyway, on Zara. But anyway, let me carry on. So I picked up this from Zara. So it's a little bit more mustardy in real life. Let me turn this down, actually. 1 second. I'll screw it down a bit. So there you go. So that's more of a true reflection of the colour. So it's more mustard opposed to yellow. Now let me move this back up because I need it. So yeah, so I picked this up, and my thought was I wanted a yellow bag for the longest time, and I saw someone on where was it? I think it was on YouTube, and she had a clutch. So it wasn't this one, but it was more so a clutch. And I thought I really liked the texture. I thought it was really nice and just really different. So I picked this up, and what I will say is, I must admit, when I got it, I wasn't wowed by it, but I thought it's not something I want to kind of send back, because I thought if I send it back, it's going to come that time where I think, you know what, I wish I'd have kept that bag. So I've kept it. Again, I don't know if this is on sale at the moment or if it's still available. It should be, because it wasn't that long ago that I bought it, and it wasn't in the sale. So it's really just simple. I thought it looked really nice. Obviously on shoulder, as you can see, or if you wanted to, you could actually pop, oh, actually it's got the price in here. So it's $29.99, as I say. We'll put price on there, so not too bad for what it is, and that's why I thought, you know what, I can keep it. And then if you want to, you can put the actual strap inside and then just use it as a, yeah, which I thought that was really nice as well. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? So yeah, so that's what I also picked up. So again, I think this is something I can continue to wear into September, you know, beginning of autumn, and then I will probably put this away for next summer. But I thought it was it was nice. I think they do it in a few other different colours. I will pop them on screen, the different colours. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I know there was a couple, but I wanted specifically the yellow or the mustard colour, so I went with this. So yeah, beautiful, isn't it? She's lovely. Yeah. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Because as I say, I wasn't wowed by it. I just thought it was a really nice alternative to some of the bags I already have. A lot of them are either leather or that kind of thing, whereas this is a, you know, it's material, so it's quite squishy. So yeah. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Should I have kept it or should I have sent it back? Yeah, be gentle with me. So everyone, that is the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section which was your favourite piece. Was it the bag? Was it the necklace? Or was it the glasses? I'd be interested to know. So as I say, if you do have any questions on anything, by all means pop them in the comment section down below and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Again, I will leave links to everything that I can find or that is still available in the description box, so please make sure you're checking that out if there's anything you are particularly interested in. And I want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you did get to the end of the video, hey, super duper, make sure you don't leave without hitting that red subscribe button down below. That way you don't miss any of my future videos. Also make sure you hit that notification bell. I will also leave a previous video at the end here for you to peruse if you are interested in continuing seeing my face. I will leave a video here, and thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye for now.